In today's video, we'll be showing you how to play a C chord. To begin, we must understand our finger numbers. So starting with our thumbs, it's finger number 1. Then moving on to our pointer finger, we have finger number 2. And moving onward, we have finger 3, finger 4, and finger 5. So then, let's take our right hand and place finger 1 on the key of C. Then we'll take finger 3 and place it on the key of E. And finally, we'll take our finger 5 and place it on G. We have then created a C chord with our right hand. To then do the following with our left hand, we'll do the same, but in reverse. So starting with finger 5 will be on C, finger 3 will be placed on E, and finger 1 will be on G. And we have now played a C chord in our left hand. You can also play a C chord by rearranging the order of the notes. So you can start with E at the bottom, then G, and then C at the top. This also creates a C chord. And again, we can do that with starting on the note of G. So we have G, C, and then E on top. You have now played all types or inversions of a C chord. You can also do this with the left hand, like so. And with these 3 notes, you are able to play a C chord in any order up or down the piano. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.